back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Tashai. Welcome. Make sure you join the family and subscribe. Just FYI, you guys, I'm using natural light. I'm so happy to be back using natural lighting. I feel like you guys can see the makeup the best and the quality of my videos just comes out so much better. But yeah, the sun's probably gonna come in and out during the video. Don't worry, I do have SPF on. And yeah, I guess let's get into today's video. So today I want to do something pink, kind of red. I got a new palette. It's Valentine's this weekend, so why not do something kind of cute, kind of girly. Yeah, let's get into it. I should kind of cover my lace because I'm prone to get makeup in my lace. I was about to say lace in my lace. So for primer today, I'm gonna use my NYX Bear With Me jelly primer, and then I'm gonna use my Pro Base moisturizing primer. I'm gonna mix them together. Now I'm gonna go into foundation. Today I think I'm gonna use, I have so many foundations to choose from these days. And today I'm gonna use my NARS Natural Radiant. I haven't used her in a while, but it's my favorite. I use the shade Namibia, which is deep 4. This is the e.l.f. buffing brush, foundation brush, and I'm gonna use this. But I'm just gonna put the foundation on my skin. I just like to do little tapping motions. I kind of put a little much, I think. Ooh, I kind of went a little in. But I like to just tap it in. I feel like it gives the best finish. That's okay. And I always like to go over my brows, make sure I get rid of that concealer mark. I picked up this new romantic palette by beautybay. I actually saw it on Miss Sid's channel, and she did a makeup look for this and she did a review, and once I saw the colors I was like, I need this. So super cute. I already have 2 other beautybay palettes. For the price point that beautybay does, their eyeshadow palettes are amazing. This is what she looks like. Super pretty. It's such a gorgeous palette. I'm going to use my Be Perfect priming base, my favorite priming base ever. And I'm just going to quickly put these on my eyes. I think I want to go in for a transition, so I'm going to go into the shade Muffin. So I'm just going to bring this up just under my brow bone. And it's working pretty well. It's giving me like a nice nude peachy brown on my skin tone anyway. It's giving like a peachy brown. Okay, I'm actually gonna go into Mars, which is more of a brown orange. Go underneath her slightly and just warm her up. I'm not really sure what I'm going for today, but I guess we'll see. So I'm going to go into Mars and just go slightly under her. I'm thinking of using Queen for my lid shade and maybe using Claret as a strong matte, like in my main crease. Ooh, this is so pigmented and pretty. I love this color. I'm literally just focusing it on my outer corner here, and then bringing it into my crease so it's like the main color here. The other 2 shades I was kind of keeping up here, but this shade I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to go into the black, but so much kickback. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Quite a lot of kickback. I'm going to go into the black and I'm just going to kind of lightly put it here in a V shape. And the same to the other eye. I want to kind of blend it upwards. I'm going to go into Queen. How gorgeous. Wait, can you guys see? How gorgeous is that? It's almost like a glitter. That is some gorgeous makeup. I'm gonna throw on lashes. I've got these Coco lashes, which are actually quite nice. Lashes are on. It took me longer than usual. Like, it's literally 1 o'clock now and I came off camera at 12:15. We're going to do this complexion. I'm gonna use what I have left of this. I think this is like the last application left in this tube, but I have bought a re-up, so that's good. This looks hella dry. I need to put on this LA Girl MAC for longwear, and I use the shade NW40 for my concealer. gonna use this kind of brush. And it's gonna be kind of a glam look because this concealer does give me like that high coverage glam vibe. I'm gonna use my Fix Plus. Oh, here we go. Oh, I was about to say, this is full Fix Plus. I feel like MAC will always have a special place in my heart. I don't care, like they had 50 shades. I think they have 60 shades of Studio Fix now. They've been having mad shades of foundation, even though the shade matching was a little crazy because everyone tended to be like the same shade in MAC. MAC has a special place in my heart because that was like my introduction to like makeup and like the standard of like quality, you know, high quality, high-end makeup before all these other brands came through. You see how flawless the concealer is coming out. I'm telling you, it's that NW40, like the Pro Longwear concealer. That's the concealer that people are sleeping on. I'm just gonna quickly do my nose contour and stuff. I'm using my C18 concealer. It's from Revolution. I always get questions on what I use to contour. I always use my Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I use a supersized one just so it lasts longer, and this is in the shade C18. And Makeup Revolution is actually available in Ulta, is it? I saw them announce it on Instagram. So to my US subscribers, you guys can shop Makeup Revolution in Ulta now. I'm just gonna blend this out. Let's see if we can get a good contour. Also, I do my 2Cs like Chanel. As always, that's like my rule of thumb. And diffuse that out. It's my favorite part, I think, of my makeup. My contour concealer, it brings everything together. This makeup has given me a bit of a cat eye today. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty in Kunafa. This is my favorite setting powder. A little bit of my Laura. I'm just going to sculpt a little bit. Just to give me a little extra brightness because I feel like I'm going to go in with my bronzer and everything's going to get pretty warm. They say time heals. Don't go build on life without me because you're mine still. Listen, this Valentine's it's gonna be me, Young Blue, Rod Wave in this house chilling. I ain't got no Valentine, but it's whatever. Let me wipe this off. I like to move quick because I feel like when you don't move quick, it just comes out a bit dry. I might put some liner. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution black liner. I'm just going to quickly put that in my waterline. I'm going to use this Fenty black mascara. My lower lash line. So I'm gonna go with my Fenty bronzer in Mami. I really wish Fenty will come out with a few more colors of the bronzer, and I really am manifesting some powder blushes from Fenty. I feel like they do such a good job with the cream blushes, like the powder blushes. Can you imagine the depth and the shade range? But I'm just gonna use my Mami and warm up my face, and this is one of my favorite brushes to bronze with. For blush, I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. cream putty blushes that I recently got, and this is in the shade Fiji. It's like a really nice bright color. I did use the Maldives shade, the shade in my last video, but I'm gonna use a little bit more of this and see how it comes out. Kind of dip in and like just layer up here. So pretty. I was a bit scared it was going to be too fluorescent, but it's so pretty. I feel like the Maldives one, this one is much more like nude, natural vibes. I'm going to use my Real Technique setting brush to apply some glow to my skin. Today we're going to give glow from within. Like, my soul is pretty. So to finish off, I'm gonna use my Fenty face powder in 450. I prefer 450 just because it covers me more in like more climates. So I'm just gonna use a little around my mouth, set here, use a little jawline here and forehead, because it did have a little bit of like shine to it. Usually I just use a powder just to go jawline, around my mouth and forehead, just to like set everything in, because over the rest of my face I would have done powders, blushes, concealers and stuff, and or in them areas I wouldn't have. So just to make sure everything's locked in and at high capacity, high security. Now it's lips time. I have this cookie gloss from Revolution. I have so much glosses, it's like insane. That's cute. Ooh, that actually might be really nice. I have my Just Rosy. Ooh, Just Rosy is gorgeous too though. It's more pinky. That more matches my eyelid. I might put that on. And I also have Baesic from my brand too. I'm obsessed with my glosses. I'm obsessed. I might just use all three. No, do you know what? Let me just keep it to my brand. I'm just gonna use my brand, but I need to double back and spin the block for Cookie, because I never use her in my tutorials. Like, what's up with that? That wasn't even Cookie. That was the clear one, but this is Cookie. I need to spin the block for her because I don't use her enough, and she's quite cute. What type of person are you, like on a date night or Valentine's? Are you a gloss or lipstick? I think it depends on the vibe. I'm always more of a gloss queen, but sometimes a red lip just gonna put it over the top. But I'd like to know what you guys would do, lipstick or gloss. With a gloss, it's just a quick 2-second and you're good to go. Look at that lip. Moisturizer looking popping. And guess what? I didn't use no lip plumper or no maximizer. This is just black girl magic, black girl lips. Okay, no lip filler. Okay, I'm not trying to be shady, but you know. To set my face, I'm gonna use my Revolution Pro. I wouldn't dare use Fix Plus. You know why? Because they won't change this pump. They've had this pump on Fix Plus since I've been 14-15 years old, and I'm very tired of it. We need a better pump because it's just like splatters and I don't like that. So I'm gonna have to go and use my Supreme Hold by Revolution Pro, which is very strong. It can feel a bit aggressive when you're spraying it, but it gives a nice spray. One thing about straight hair that annoys me is the flyaways. It can get so annoying. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this Valentine's vibe pink shimmery makeup look. If you made it this far, shout out to you. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and watching the video. Love you guys. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you join the squad and subscribe. You made it this far, give me a nice thumbs up, comment, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.